or orangish color. But more and more, we're seeing these magenta purple colors, these bright pink colors. Just absolutely amazing. And I believe I could already see some chemtrail clouds right there. Matter of fact, yep, they are chemtrailing already. You know, just trying to document this for all of you, and I'm sure a lot of you are seeing the same thing. Pretty amazing. Just out for my morning walk to get a little exercise, and this is what I see just about every morning if it's not really, really cloudy. Pretty amazing. Sign of the times, folks.
Welcome back to Planet X News. This is Scott from the Nibiru channel. Ladies and gentlemen, it is July 5th, 2017. And once again, we're going to bring you a story coming out of Spain, Girona, Spain. Extremely intense hailstorm hits the region. What seems to be a massive snow pile, but in all actuality, that is hail. Inches and inches of hail hits this region of Spain. Now, this occurred late on June 30th, 2017. And it states here that heavy rain accompanied by huge amounts of hail hit the city of Girona. It is in the northeastern region of Catalonia. Again, this happened on Friday, June 30th. There were no injuries reported. However, a lot of damage with this hailstorm. Now, taking a look at some video that was uploaded to Twitter and Facebook and then uploaded to this article by the watchers, I mean, this looks like wintertime in Russia. Look at the amount of hail that is on the streets, on the sidewalks, on the roofs of buildings. Absolutely incredible. Now, these are more Twitter videos that people have uploaded. I mean, look at this. This looks like wintertime. And in all actuality, it's we're going to go ahead and look down here a little further. Here you go again. You know, here's more video. And it looks like wintertime. Let's take a look at this short video. This looks like this was actually captured during the hail storm. Let's take a look. Wow, that's pretty intense. Well, as you know, as this hail falls, it does do significant damage. Here is a still photograph, and immediately this hail started turning into flooding. And you could see that these vehicles are, well, I would say pretty close to up to the wheel wells, past the tires on these vehicles as they travel down this roadway. And this photograph or this video was labeled the aftermath. And again, this looks like wintertime. But in fact, it was June 30th, the beginning of the summer in Spain and in the Northern Hemisphere. Let's take a look at this video. Wow. Well, that looks like a river or a fast-moving stream of white water moving down, and basically that's a small street, roadway, looks like shops and stores and things of that nature, a busy section, and just literally starting to flood from the melting hail. I mean, this video here, this was in the headline. I mean, look at the amount of hail. Now, in some of the areas, it was reported about 5 to 6 inches of this hail. Some of the other areas around the city reported 1 or 2 inches. And this area was hit with approximately 5 to almost 6 inches of hail. Let's take a look at this video. This guy seems to be using a shovel. Well, you can see an emergency vehicle back there. This vehicle seems to be trapped, and it seems that they're trying to make small pathways on each side of this very narrow street. But you could see, ladies and gentlemen, how, let me just go ahead and blow this up a little bit here. Let's take a good look at this. I mean, look, this looks like snow. This looks like parts of the northeastern part of the United States in the dead of the winter. And it's the beginning of the summer in Spain. You know, and we keep talking about the wild, wild weather. Why it's occurring. Where it is occurring. Here's one more piece of video. This vehicle looks, you know, completely entrapped in this hail. Let's take a look at this video.
Carrera a casa.
I mean, that looks like something in the Antarctic.
Carrera a casa.
It looks like the one vehicle back there is covered all the way to the hood of the car. And here you can see this man standing here in one of those pathways that they had to dig out. But look at the amount of hail. That to me looks more in the neighborhood of about 12 inches instead of 5 inches. And I'm sure they'll probably be updating this news story in the next couple of days. But once again, folks, you know, things like this are happening around the world. Our climate is changing rapidly. World populations are being affected. There's no doubt about that. If you listen to our story previously pertaining to China, once again, people are losing their lives. Devastation, small towns, small cities, flooding, extreme temperatures, extreme weather, climate chaos. You ask why? We've given you the reason why. This will continue. Consider these to be what people refer to as doomsday, apocalyptic times, the sign of the times. That's a good definition for it.